Good morning, students. I am Kuldeep Singh. Today I am going to start the class 10th, chapter 7, topic sound. Students, in the class 9, we have discussed about the sound. So, what is the sound or what is echo? Echo is the reflection of sound. First of all, what is sound waves? When the sound is produced when the body vibrates or it reaches us through the medium when body vibrations of the particles in the which is present in the medium, they vibrate with each other, hit with each other, then they produce a sound. And two types are there, ultrasonic and infrasonic. In the lower class I have explained ultra means up, the sound which is above the 20,000 hertz or 20 kilohertz, and infra means inside, that is below 20 hertz. What is the audible range of human body or frequency? So that human body, the audible range is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz or 20,000 hertz also we can say. So when the sound wave travel in the medium, and in that class we have discussed about the amplitude, time period, wavelength. What is amplitude? The maximum displacement from its mean position is called amplitude. And what is time period? The time taken by the wave to complete one vibration is called the time period. And what is wavelength? We can say the distance traveled by the wave in one time period is called its wavelength, and wavelength is denoted by a lambda. So this relation is very important. Sometimes they are asking, write the relationship between the wave velocity, frequency and wavelength, that is V is equal to f lambda. Or what is f? F is 1 upon t. This topic we have very briefly we have discussed in the 9th class. So what are the factors on which the sound wave depends? Sound wave mostly it propagate, it depend upon the medium it depend upon the, because sound needs medium. In the 9th class we have discussed one activity, that can the sound travel in vacuum. In the bell jar experiment we have discussed, and our answer is no. In the vacuum the sound cannot travel, it require a medium. So the what type of energy transversion is there in sound? The sound energy having a kinetic energy converted into potential energy and vice versa. When we speak, our kinetic energy converted into potential energy, so is called mechanical wave. So sound is having a mechanical waves, and mechanical waves are of two types. Number one is longitudinal wave and second one is transverse wave. In the 9th class also we have discussed longitudinal wave is made by the compression and rarefaction. So two compression and rarefaction makes a one longitudinal wave, and transverse wave by the crest and trough. So longitudinal waves are this one, compression and rarefaction जो जुड़ती हैं, this is compression and this is rarefaction. So longitudinal, this is the longitudinal wave, and the transverse waves are crest and trough. जो वेव ऊपर जाती है, this is crest, अपने मीडियम से नीचे आती है, this is trough. Okay, so trough and crest makes a transverse wave, and this also in the 9th class we have discussed. V is equal to root, and this is gamma pressure upon, what is this? This is density. So density of the medium. Okay, so density of gas decrease with increase in pressure and with increase in humidity. Okay, so Then we are having a sound wave differ from the electromagnetic. What are the electromagnetic waves? Name some of the electromagnetic waves. Underline this one also. So electromagnetic waves are gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet rays, visible light, infrared rays, microwaves and radio waves. So we are going to discuss about the topic. The electromagnetic waves are formed by the periodic vibration of the mutual perpendicular electric and magnetic field. So the electromagnetic waves are what type of waves? They are the transverse wave. But unlike sound waves which travel through the vacuum also, because electromagnetic waves can travel in vacuum also, because they are the electromagnetic. They are electromagnetic means they are with the working of electricity. They are produced. They are artificial waves. And what is the speed of light? That is 3 into 10 raised to power 8. So difference between light rays and sound waves is here that we have discussed. Then comes the topic of the reflection of sound waves. So what is reflection? Echo. Echo is the reflection of sound waves. It also depends upon the law of reflection. So what are the laws of reflection? Angle of reflection is equal to angle of incidence. The incident ray, reflected ray, the normal ray all lie on the same plane. The return of sound wave, जब sound wave वापस आती है strike करके with the obstacle. obstacle क्या होता है? hard surface. जैसे वॉल हो गया, मेटल शीट हो गया, प्लाई हो गया, बैक आती है तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ साउंड. सो द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. व्हाट इज द रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ साउंड? दैट इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट. दिस क्वेश्चन, दिस लाइन अंडरलाइन. write the what is the requirement of the reflection of sound? That is the size of the reflecting surface should be bigger. वो बड़ा होना चाहिए किससे? than the wavelength of sound wave. This is very important topic. So name the phenomena of which the reflection of sound depend. कौन से phenomena पे वो depend करता है? megaphone, sound board, air trumpet are the examples of reflection of sound. Then echo. In the 8th class also we have discussed about the echo. What is echo? Where the original sound ceased. यहाँ पे असली साउंड बंद होती है और वहाँ से दोबारा साउंड शुरू होती है. द साउंड हर्ड आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन फ्रॉम द डिस्टेंट ऑब्स्टेकल. बड़े से ऑब्स्टेकल से साउंड स्ट्राइक करके वहाँ पे ओरिजिनल साउंड बंद होती है, वहाँ से दूसरी साउंड स्टार्ट होती है. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज द echo. Reflection of sound is called echo. The sound heard after reflection from the distant obstacle after the original sound has ceased is called echo. So the reflected sound if heard along, अगर reflected sound original sound के साथ सुनाई दे, can we say it is echo? No, that is not a echo. Only the sound heard after original sound ceased, only जो sound सुनाई देती है हमारी original sound बंद होने के बाद, that is called as echo. So what are the condition for the echo? First condition is the here. So the minimum distance जो होना चाहिए वो कितना होना चाहिए? 17 मीटर. किसके बीच में द सोर्स ऑफ साउंड में और रिफ्लेक्टर के बीच में जो डिस्टेंस होना चाहिए वो 17 मीटर का होना चाहिए. देन सेकेंड, द साइज जो होना चाहिए, द साइज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्टर मस्ट बी लार्ज इनफ, वो ज़्यादा बड़ा होना चाहिए एज कम्पेयर टू द वेवलेंथ. एंड थर्ड, द इंटेंसिटी. एंड इंटेंसिटी वर्ड इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ओवर हियर. इंटेंसिटी, व्हाट इज इंटेंसिटी? इंटेंसिटी मीन्स एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय आवर थ्रॉट. कितना हमारी एनर्जी से थ्रॉट पैदा हुई है, दैट इज़ द इंटेंसिटी. फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द थ्रॉट और साउंड इज कॉल्ड intensity. That intensity should be such high than the reflected sound. Okay, so this formula we are going to we will solve all the numericals with the help of this formula. This formula is very important. V is equal to 2d upon t. This formula we are going to use to solve the numericals of this chapter. And this chapter numericals are very important, as I told you in the first chapter also. Okay, so where we are using this echo and this you can read, and then you will come to know. We can, by bats are using, you know how the bats are turning to the other side, they are not they're flying always, they are using echo with the help of. And name the principle on which the sonar work. Sonar is the principle of sonar is echo. Echo is the principle of the sonar. Okay, dolphin also work on the echo. Trawlerman, fishermen, all are working on the echo. Okay, so try to read this topic beta, and these numericals are very important. Numerical number 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are very important, as well as 10th also. These numericals are 100%. I am sure that once in a year you will get in the, as well ICSE also can ask, and maybe in the this board also, dissection board also will ask the question. So try to solve this numerical. Thank you.